Hey guys, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I'm the Asian Buffer Reseller, and today I'll be showing you guys how to list items on the eBay mobile phone app. My preferred and my favorite way of listing eBay items is through the mobile phone app. It's just purely because of convenience. Through the app, you can take the pictures and directly upload them onto the listing. Whether if you do it with the desktop version, you're gonna have to take the photo, transfer it on your desktop, and then upload it onto your eBay listing. With the mobile phone, you just skip the step from transferring from the phone to the desktop, which saves you a bunch of time. And if you guys are wondering about are there any differences between the two? Not really. Most of my sold items that I've sold on eBay, pretty much 99% of them have come from my listings from the app. There might be minute differences, different item specifics, but it really doesn't matter in the long scheme of things. Do whatever is most comfortable for you, and for me, that is listing through the mobile app. But for now, let's just get into this video of how I list through the eBay mobile phone. So here we go. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the eBay app. On the bottom right corner, there's selling, select that option. Then you're gonna go to list an item, okay? And then you're gonna type in the title of your listing. Today, we're just gonna do a sample listing of 101 Pokemon cards. All right, eBay is going to do a thing. You're going to go to create a new listing. You're going to do used because it is not a sealed product, thus it is used. All right, let eBay create the listing and everything. Then you're going to go to photos. Like I said, we've already taken this picture, so we're going to upload it from our phone. Select the photo. You're going to select upload. You're going to select the photo, and then on the bottom, you'll have different editing options. I'm gonna select the middle one for this one as a crop tool. Crop the photo to the way I like it to make it look aesthetically pleasing. All right, once I'm done with that, select the done, and then I select the done once again. Next thing we're gonna work on is our title. So I already have 101 Pokemon cards. Especially with titles, you want to be as descriptive as possible. So with this bulk pack, we're going to have rares and holos. So we're going to write something to catch their attention. And then you're going to state the condition of the card. So all the cards should be in near mint condition. Then once you're done with that, just go ahead and select done. The next thing we're going to work on is item specifics. So item specifics is the best way that I can think of to really help your eBay listing hit the eBay algorithm, other than with titles and stuff like that. So here we're just going to go over and check out what item specifics, what different types there are. Again, you want to be as honest as possible, and you want to select as many as possible. If you can't find what you're looking for, you can always search it in the search bar, just like I did for Nintendo. Just scrolling through some more. Be as descriptive as possible. I accidentally closed out of it, so these are all the options you have for Pokemon cards. If you list something different, it might appear different, but that's okay. We've already done category. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to work on description. With the description, just like the title and specifics, you want to be as descriptive as possible as well as honest. So with this bulk pack, we're going to do 70 commons and uncommons. And we're going to do 10 rares. So specifically with the description, while I type all this stuff out, with the description, you want to be as descriptive as possible. It's honestly just to prevent returns and refunds. Usually a lot of eBay buyers are very smart. They always look at the description before they buy. And if they're buying, most of the time they're buying items that they know, and they know what they're buying. If you have a very poor description and they receive an item that they don't want, or they didn't think that they were going to get, they're most likely going to ask for a return. And writing a very, very clear, very concise description really prevents that stuff. So next thing we're going to work on is pricing. Usually with bulk repacks, you want to turn off auctions. You want to go do the buy now. If it's grayed out, just give it some time to load. It takes a brick, but go to pricings, adjust the pricings. We're just going to throw a number out there today. Like I said, this is like a sample listing. Next thing we're going to do is easy price offering. You usually turn that off. Next thing we're going to want to do is work on offers. This is personal preference. If you want to accept offers, if you don't, it's really up to you. Doesn't matter. But offers is people can negotiate prices with you. That's honestly what it is. Quantities, just update the quantities, how many bulk packs you have. After that, you're done. Go to done, and then go to delivery. Cheapest option for bulk repacks, they usually come around like 8 ounces, depending on when you ship. USPS first class is its cheapest option. You're gonna go to package weight. So 100 cards is less than 8 ounces, so we're just gonna put 8. Package dimensions, I usually put 11111. USPS has never given me a problem with this, so I'm just too lazy to actually measure everything out. Ship internationally, you can just like turn that off. Global shipping, I think I usually have that off. Preferences, make sure to go through preferences and return policy on your own time. You can use eBay's default policies. They work just as well. Then you go to list your item. If you have an error listing like this, it'll take you to the error. Just click on it and just add the needed thing. Just change the needed thing, and then once you select done, just scroll all the way down and just select list your item now. Right? Once you're done, it should look like something like this. That means your listing is ready. We're gonna go to view listings, just to give you guys like a final preview of what the listing looks like. This is what it really looks like at the end. So that's pretty much it. And for my next video, I'll be showing you guys how I personally make bulk repacks. If you're interested in learning how to make money off your Pokemon bulk and learning how to make bulk repacks, go ahead and hit that like button, and also don't forget to subscribe. And if you're from my TikTok channel, go ahead and give yourself some love and give yourself a shout out in the comment section down below. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Peace!